Custom ERP, for A, manufacturing. SME, your digital growth partner. Client, background, location, Maharashtra, company size, 12 employees. Industry, manufacturing, auto parts, initial tools, Excel, manual billing, paper records. The challenges: no centralized system, manual billing and GST filing, stock tracking errors, wastage. Reports took 3 to 4 days, limited staff, high workload. Our approach: conducted workshops with client team, understood pain points, designed a custom ERP. Lightweight, affordable, easy to use, added mobile first modules for shop floor staff. The solution: inventory management, real-time updates with mobile app. Finance module, GST-ready invoices and payments, payroll, automated salaries and attendance. Reports dashboard, instant insights for management. Results achieved: stock wastage reduced by 35%, reporting time cut from 3 days 10 minutes. On-time vendor payments, improved trust, productivity increased by 25%. Owner gained real-time visibility. Client words: earlier everything was manual and time-consuming. After DHIS built our ERP, our work became faster, clearer, and more professional. Why DHIS? Custom-first approach, built for SMEs, affordable versus SAP, Oracle. Easy-to-use UI for small teams, scalable and future-ready. DigiHelp IT services, helping businesses grow with customized software and apps. Contact us, 96932322675, contact@digihelpitservices.com, www.digihelpitservices.com. Book a demo with us?